I have a question for you. Why is money such a big ass secret with people?
Girl, I don't even know because people don't like talk about money. Them don't like talk about how much them have, how much them don't have. And it limits us. It really, really limits us.
You know, I think that the more that we talk about it, the more comfortable we can get about asking for help and learning how to manage money, how to attract money, and how really just to, just help other people really uplift themselves and not be in, survival mode.
It's all about the sisterhood because each one reach one. What we need to think about is that, hey, I'm learning things, I'm going through challenges. You are not alone. You're not the only one going through those challenges. Share what you're going so that you can help others. And we have to help each other because nobody else is gonna do it but us. We have to make each other's lives better if we want to impact financial change for our entire generation. It's bigger than us.
I really love this because I think that there's more and more of a sisterhood and empowerment that's happening right now. So it doesn't have to just be with resources. It can also be with financial abundance and learning that there is more than enough for everyone. So it's not like me learning, you learning, impacts each other. Let's share. Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring.